Hi, this is ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So hold for a while the application, then drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folders. So if you want to rename the folder, you should just tap once on the name and after that enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK to home button and we could see that we just successfully renamed our folder. If you want to just move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove application from the folder, we should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll remove only the item. The application will stay here in the apps menu. And also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together, just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.